crook, crooked hand and sticky fingers, spell corruption, look.
From government coffers to sweetheart shoppers, Christopher Tufton chopping and dodging like he's in a dance hall. Family, did you hear the latest news about Christopher and his sweetheart? Yes, Integrity Commission just put him on full stop. No more chopping. While Jamaicans are struggling to buy medication and nurses are begging for supplies, the minister always seems to find himself caught up in another sweet scandal. This time it's not Archer's funeral home, it's an uptown beauty queen sucking Jamaican coffers. Our hospitals are falling apart, but somehow there's always time for fancy dinners and overseas trips. From public funds to private fun, Jamaica deserves better. Healthcare is collapsing, but the minister is out here chopping and dodging like he's playing hide and seek with the truth and our taxpayers' dollars. Family, what's your take on this one? Christopher Tufton, find another channel to chop and hide our hard-earned money. Drop your comments below and go watch the main video for the full story. Because over here, we don't sugarcoat corruption. Like, share, and subscribe to Mishidex Commentary, the people's voice for truth and justice.
Can't stop a crook, crooked hand and sticky fingers, spell corruption, look. Can't stop a crook,